Well, good morning. It's July 30th. Today's a huge day. Why? Well, it's a Tuesday, but that's not why it's a huge day. It's a huge day because Apple Computers is reporting earnings after the closing bell. That's right. Apple is the largest U.S. market company, stock market company by a public company via market cap. That means it has the biggest influence on the overall stock market, and that's why everyone's watching it. Now, the numbers are expected to be a little weaker. Why? Because China and US are in a trade war. Apple is a global company, and a lot of Apple parts and users and technology is made in China, and that's not going away. So there's a lot of friction here, but most of it is priced into the market. If you look at the chart of Apple, you'll see that it's near the 52-week high, just a little bit off the 52-week high. And price, the RSI, is reaching for the overbought level, but is not quite there yet, which means there's a good chance we may hit all-time highs over the next week. Also, Fed is reporting this week, allegedly in the next few days, that rates are going to go down 1/4 basis point. If that's the case, it may not happen, but if they do make that decision, statistically, the stock market rises 16.5% over a 12-month period after that news is released, okay? So that's very important if that happens on Thursday. If it doesn't happen on Thursday, then this may be a little less of a projection in terms of momentum. But upside is probable. Earnings estimates are $2.10, okay? They're a little bit on the low side. I believe last quarter we were at $2.47, but this is already priced into the market. And Apple has a tendency to under report their expectations, okay? So there's a really good chance that Apple may come out stronger than expected, all right? Again, expect a little bit of strength. There may be some congestion, but overall, we're expecting Apple to see more strength over the next few weeks. We may see a little bit of downside going into the report. We may see some volatility, but Apple is a strong stock and we're seeing more upside. So, regardless of the numbers, if they come out above $2.10 after the close, expect higher prices. If they come below $2.10, expect lower prices. But again, over the next few weeks, expect Apple to rally, especially if the Fed lowers rates. Talk soon.